What up everybody, welcome back to our design machine where tech design machinery is fused. Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe and give me an early like. So today we are going to share with you the HP mechanical gaming keyboard GK200. So this is a budget keyboard that we bought in Simply Square, and if you're a beginner, you might want to consider this. But before that, let me introduce to you guys this mechanical keyboard. Are you guys ready? Let's get into it!
Alright everybody, let's get things started. So today we have the HP mechanical gaming keyboard GK200. Let's look at some of the feature. It on the bottom left it's a 50 million actuation life and a height adjustment, so pretty cool. On the right of the packaging, you can see it is a mechanical blue switch with a 60 gram actuation force. Well, very classic box from HP design. There are actually three colors here. We have the silver, the white, and of course the black. We have the black one here, and at the back is a very standard HP product description. So let's open up this bad boy right here. It's still with a HP logo. So the shop owner have already opened it for us to check. So we have opened this up already. Flipping up, you'll see a HP logo greeting you, and it's just the keyboard itself. Let's pull up this and see what other accessories are included. You can see a key switch puller in black. So very simple tools to pull the keycap out. And here's some product description and warranty paper by HP, which is necessary as usual. Now let's put this box aside. Over here is the HP keyboard. Now let's remove the dust cover. And here we are, the HP mechanical gaming keyboard GK200 in black. A very utilitarian look. All black. You can see the keycap is kind of matte black with a very sophisticated font on the cap. The HP logo is a diamond cut chrome logo, beautifully stick on the aluminum piece that helps to create a very strong enclosure. So you can see the keycap is actually made up of a double shot plastic. How does it look like? Let me show you. So you can see the white one is actually from the font of the keycap. So I hope you understand. On the side view, actually, if you see, we have quite a good travel distance downwards. So on the underside, we can see the serial number and product information. Just about everything you need to have on the product. Apart from that, we can see there is 2 rubber feet at the top and 4 at the base. Additionally, there is the kickstand that allows you to prop up. So from the side view, you can see that it actually props up a 70-degree angle. At the back, you can see some industrial design detail, right? If you don't like it, you can just close it back. So pretty neat. Let's move on to the cable. It is a non-removable USB cable. Let's unwrap this apart, and it comes with about 1 meter. And what they have is a USB at the input area with HP logo. Unfortunately, this is not braided. We really hope that it is a braided cable. Nonetheless, the price is affordable, so we do not expect a lot. Now let's hear the top sound. So you can see the rigidness of the keyboard is actually very sturdy due to the metal aluminum plate. Let's turn our attention to the RGB color setting. Function insert give you a pulsing effect. Function home give you a line by line effect. Function delete give a full-on pulse effect. Function end seems to have a similar pulsing effect too. Function page down, my favorite feature, give you a disco-like effect. Now, function F1 give you a gaming kind of setting. Function F2 give you a kind of more color at the left. So for function 3 to function 8, you have more color setting which you don't necessarily need. So function at insert give you back to the home. So there you have it, all the different color that you can toggle. Sadly, you can't customize yourself. Now the part you've been waiting for, the typing test.
Alright, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching and staying till the end here. So if you guys like what you see, please like, share to your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more future tech and design review. So we have the GK200 here. So if you're a beginner, please try this out at Simply Square, and maybe this is your first entry into the mechanical keyboard world. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next one, and hope you have a great one. Be right back. I go make coffee now. Bye. Whoa, look at this. Wow. Asbestos like. Beautiful.